So question is like this. आज तो तुमने दिन भर क्या पढ़ा? यार तुम्हारा एग्जाम बोर्ड का है और सिर्फ थोड़े से क्वेश्चन लगाए तुमने, तो पूरे दिन क्या मम्मी के साथ होली की तैयारी करवा रही हो क्या? गुजिया वुजिया बनवाना, पापड़ वापड़ सब बनने लगे अभी से? लग रहा है मम्मी ने तुम्हें पारा लगा दिया होगा कि नहीं पापड़ ही बनाएगी, इसी के लायक ऐसे पापड़ ही बनाओ। मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि मम्मी ने तुम्हें पापड़ बनवाने में लगवा दिया, उनको लग गया होगा ये पापड़ी बनाने लायक है, ऐसे पापड़ी बनवाओ, बाकी इसके बस का नहीं है। अरे गुजिया आने में फरवरी जाते देर थोड़ी लगती है। चलो ओके, सो ठीक है, हम क्वेश्चन 1 से चालू करें तुम्हारे साथ। 2007 में आया था ये, क्योंकि तुम्हारे साथ कुछ ज्यादा फायदा नहीं है, बहुत लंबा खींचने में तुमको, हम ही करेंगे बस। ओके, 21A, एक्सरसाइज 21A, पेज नंबर 334। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज sec a -1 upon sec a +1, right, is equal to 1 minus cos a. Can you do this? Do it cos a, ठीक है। तो इसका जो हो गया, इसका हमने जो LHS लिया, LHS इज इक्वल टू sec a माइनस, अरे कैसे हो गया, अभी हमने लिखा भी नहीं। हाउ यू डन दिस? अच्छा, do the next one, -1 upon sec a, हाँ सेकेंड वाला तुम करो तो। अभी देता हूँ इसके बाद। sec a -1 into sec a, यहाँ लिख लेते हैं, हाँ चलो अच्छा पहले अच्छा भी ऐसे लिख लेते हैं, sec a -1 ब्रैकेट, फोर्थ करो। Here it is minus, so that is sec square a -1 square, it becomes sec square a plus 1 माइनस 2
एंटीबायोटिक रखी है कोई?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं है उसके।
बकवास करोगे ना,
होली भी तो मत देना ऐसे लोगों को।
अभी अभी बोर्ड में छोड़ेंगे, पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी।
आवाज आ रही प्लीज?
पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी तो खाना भी हम नहीं खिलाएंगे, परसेंगे भी।
सेक स्क्वायर
सारी बातों में हमको क्यों घसीट लेती है? सारी बातों में हमको क्यों घसीट लेती है? हाँ मेरे पास है। अभी तो आपको नहीं चाहिए ना, जब ऊपर जाएंगे तब ला देंगे। अभी तो भगा देंगे ना थोड़ी देर में। हाँ तो वही नहीं है ना, अभी तो तुरंत हम जाएंगे आएंगे, आधा टाइम मेरा ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, अभी जब पढ़ेंगे तब ला देंगे।
हम तो अभी पहले ही कर रहे हैं। तुमने किया कैसे है यार? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ओह शिट, ओह शिट, ओह शिट। यस यस यस, समझ गया, समझ गया व्हाट आई डिड। सो LHS is equal to 1 upon cos A minus 1 upon 1 upon cos A plus 1 is equal to cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A upon, then again we have taken cos A as a common, so it is 1 plus cos A, right? This cos A cancelled off, it becomes 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to RHS। ये हो गया पहला क्वेश्चन। दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर डूइंग, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 you are doing। Question number 4 you have done. You come to question number 6. Question number 6. ये क्या है? 1 minus tan square A। Can you read the question please? 1 minus tan square A। 1 plus tan A का whole square plus 1 plus tan A का whole square, tan square A। न्यूमरेटर में ऊपर हाँ डिनोमिनेटर वाली न्यूमरेटर में is equal to what? Sec square A, right? So LHS is equal to 1 minus 10a whole square plus 1 plus 10a whole square. हाँ वही हाँ that formula will be at I'm going to put that is 1 square plus 10 square a minus 2 10a plus 1 square plus 10 square a plus 210 a राइट और ये जो हो गया दैट इज इक्वल टू इसको हम पढ़ेंगे सेक स्क्वायर ए राइट और दिस विल आल्सो सेक स्क्वायर ए टर्न्स इनटू सेक स्क्वायर ये माइनस प्लस कैंसिल्ड सो योर आंसर विल बी सेक स्क्वायर ए plus sec square a is equal to 2 sec square a, right? So it is RHS. I hope you understand, right? Okay, very nice. You are so good. Come to 11th. Then you done that question which you were asking. Okay. Question number 11. Okay. What is question number 11? There is 1 plus 10 square a. 1 plus 10 square a into cot a upon cosec square a is equal to 10a. Right? नहीं 1 plus 10 square is equal to sec square a. This रुक तो जाओ 1 upon sec square a, right? Sec square a. So we will write here sec square a upon cosec square a into I know that cot a, right? So what we will do, sec square a means 1 upon cos square a, right? And cosec square a means 1 upon sin square a into cot a. Fine. So what you will do now, sin square a plus cos square a into cot a is equal to this is tan square a into cot is 1 upon tan a, right? So this is, if we cancel tan a, This 10A and this 10A is cancelled out. You get 10A, right? So you get, this is RHS. Fine. This was question number 11. I hope you understand well. So you are doing very good today in trigonometry. So now come to calorimetry. I have a very good question for you. Right? Should I rub this? अरे इसको एक मिनट में, can I rub this? Okay. There is a very good question I find in calorimetry. I hope you enjoy in solving that question, right? And it will definitely come in your exam also. With respect to exam perspective, it is very important, right? Question is that there is a question from trigonometry. Suppose I give it number uh, 1 from physics. 1 from physics, right? So there is a steam. There is a steam, right? The steam is having a mass of m1, right? And and its temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Fine. This steam converts into water. Converts into water of mass m1 and temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Fine. So there is an assumption. This assumption there is a assumption that no loss of no exchange no exchange of heat between system and surrounding, right? System and surrounding. मतलब whatever amount of heat is lost by steam, that is utilized totally by. So this water so how much energy will become required for this? That is equal to Q is equal to ml. Q is equal to ml, right? M is m1, L is 2268 joule per gram, right? And mass is also in gram. So Q1 is equal to 2268 m1 joule, right? This much energy is coming out when steam of 100 degrees Celsius comes into water of 100 degrees Celsius. Okay? Now, this water of 100 degrees Celsius comes in water and mass m2, temperature 0 degrees Celsius. So how much energy will come out? That is Q2 is equal to M into C into delta T, right? So if you write here M1 into specific heat capacity of water is 4.2 joule per gram into temperature is from 100 to 100 to 0 degree Celsius, right? So total energy is coming out is 420 m1 joule, right? Right? This much energy is coming out. So heat lost, heat lost, heat lost, heat lost, heat lost is equal to 2268 m1 plus 420 m1. So it becomes 2000 2688 m1, right? This much total lost heat, right? Now it is given you there is a ice, right? Ice at 0 degree Celsius, mass m2 converts into water of 0 degree Celsius, right? So amount of energy lost is equal to amount of energy gained by the ice, right? Energy and here is energy is equal to Q is equal to Q3 is equal to M2 into L, and latent heat of water is M2 is equal to 336 joule per gram, right? This is gram. So 336 joule energy is absorbed, right? So 336 joule into M2 energy joule heat is absorbed, right? So by the law of principle of calorimeter, this is uh, heat lost heat, absorbed heat, absorbed heat, absorbed heat, heat is equal to 336 joule, 336 m2 joule. This is absorbed heat, right, by ice. So by principle of calorimeter, by principle 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 of calorimeter, heat lost is equal to heat gain. Lost heat is equal to heat gain, absorbed heat, absorbed heat, getting? So now when we put the values here, then we get lost heat is 2688 into M1 is equal to 3336 M2, right? So 2688 divided by 336 m1 is equal to m2. Can you divide this 2688 by 336? Hello? 2688 divided by 336. 8. Very smart. This is 8. Right? It means mass of M2. Mass of M2 means ice is equal to 8 times of mass of steam. Getting? This is the question. What is the ratio? What is the ratio between mass of ice and mass of steam? What is the ratio? Can you tell me the ratio? Ratio between here is ratio is M2 is equal to 8m1. So M2 upon M1 is equal to 8 upon 1. That is, this is right. This is the ratio between mass of ice upon mass of steam is equal to 8:1. This was the question from physics. I hope you enjoyed this question. Very good. Okay, now again, would you like to come back on trigonometry? No, you come to 16. That sheet of numericals is not right now not with me. So come to 16. नहीं मैं 16 पढ़ाता हूँ and I'll send it to you that sheet tomorrow, and tomorrow we will study physics. Fine. Tomorrow I will send you a sheet of calorimeter, numericals of calorimeter, and then we will solve that. Right? So please do come to question number 16. Please. If you do not want to write, I am writing question. You just copied it. And when you do this question, then please send me the copy of that. What you are doing in there. Question number 16. It is a very good question you have in trigonometry again. 16. क्वेश्चन बोल रहा हूँ. cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A whole square plus cos A minus sin A whole square is equal to 2. Question is very easy. There is all topper in your home. Answer saying I'll do top. You are saying you will do top. All toppers are in. ये क्वेश्चन इज रिटन हियर ना. Cos A plus. So now explain it. Done. Now cos square A plus sin square A, right, plus 2 sin A cos A plus we will write cos square A plus sin square A, right, minus 2 sin A cos A. Fine. Wait for a while. So this is plus. No, not to you. This will be cancelled out. Right? Good. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. That's why I am saying this turns to 1. This is 1 plus, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It becomes RHS. Done. So can we call off today? Please, today. Tomorrow I'll take a longer class. Okay. Oh my God. Tomorrow you can go for. हाँ? अच्छा ठीक है करो. Now you do this 18. Come to 18. Come to 18. Come to 18. Oh, come to 18. Oh my God, this quality is very poor. Bye. Now quality is visibility is pretty good. Question number 18. Right? Yeah. Now question number 18. Question number 18 is like this. One upon sec A, 1 upon sec A plus tan A is equal to sec A sec a minus tan a, right? This is the question we have. Now the solution will be LHS, is it? One upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a, right? So 1 upon cos a, we have taken as an LCM, we get 1 plus sin a, fine. When we get 1 plus sin a, then this cos goes up, so it becomes cos a upon 1 plus sin a. Getting this much? Now cos a upon 1 plus, हाँ बोलो, yes, speak. Yeah, हाँ, तो now rationalize. Now you do the rationalization. Now again 1 minus sin a upon 1 minus sin a, right? So you get cos a bracket 1 minus sin a upon 1 minus sin square a, right? And this 1 minus sin square a will convert into cos square a, right? So now in next step we will write what we will write. Cos a minus sin a upon cos square a. So this is cos a and cos a is gone. So you get 1 upon cos a minus sin a upon cos a. Sin a upon cos a. Then we get how much? Sec a plus sec a minus tan a. That is equal to RHS. Get it? Done? Okay, very nice. Which question you are doing? You come to question 20. नहीं वो that I'll take tomorrow. Question number 20. Right? Huh. What is that question?
The reciprocal of 2
Do it. Yeah.
जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा, इसका कुछ नहीं है।
क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था आपका? मैं सुन नहीं पाया.
The reciprocal of 2/5 into -4.9.
Reciprocal ये क्वेश्चन इज फॉर कम्पिटेटिव पर्पस के लिए, ये रेसिप्रोकल कम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए। टीचर्स रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स। Yeah. So reciprocal
of 2/5.
reciprocal of 2/5. Just wait. 2/5 into minus 4/9. My God. Reciprocal, so it becomes 2 4s are 8 upon 45 minus, right? And reciprocal is it correct? Correct. Reciprocal of minus 8/45 is equal to 1 upon minus 8/45. It will come minus 45/8, right? When we solve it further, then we get minus 8 5s are 40 minus 5 whole 5/8. Is it? This is the reciprocal, and this is how we get.
-9 नहीं लिख सकते।
Why will write 9? Oh, why will write 9? 8 9s are 45. When it happens?
नहीं,
ठीक है ना? ये होगा
sorry 48
72. Right? So this is how we solve this question. Fine? Can you do the remaining?
yes.
Keep on going. जी, if somebody is able to teach Shagud, then he can teach everyone. Yes, it is such a difficult person. Yes, it will go online. Question number 20. That is, question is very big, I hope. I have taken for my own trouble for my own. Sec A minus tan A upon sec A plus tan A. Have you done this? Plus tan A. महान इंसान RHS में 1 minus 2 sec A 2 sec A tan A tan square. Very great. मतलब I am writing question and you are saying that you have done. Such a great personality you are. Yes. Pakka this time you are going to top. मतलब I am writing question and you are अब वो गड़बड़ी भी देखो क्या है 1 upon एक मिनट रुको मसला बड़ा गंभीर है ये sec a minus tan a. Sec a minus. Very good, very good. Very intelligent you are. Sec a plus tan a. Right? Now rationalize. Now rationalize. Right? But when we rationalize, what I will get it? What I will get it? I do not know what I get. Anyway, anyway, keep on doing. Sec, sec a upon sec a minus tan a. Right? So it is sec a minus tan a whole square upon sec square a minus tan square a, and that turns to be 1, right? So now you get sec square a plus tan square a minus 2 sec a tan a. Fine, this much. So what we have to do in this? How we get this one? How we get one? Oh yes, here should be here in question there is 2 tan square a we have to pay. Definitely. Then we can write 1 plus tan square a plus tan square a minus 2 sec a tan a. Right? So finally we get answer, that is 1 plus 2 tan square a minus, oh yeah, minus 2 sec a tan a, right? Or you can write 1 minus 2 sec a tan a plus 2 tan square a, 2 tan square a. Hence it is RHS. I hope you have done. So what about still continued? You want to still continue? Oh my god. Well, okay, come. Okay. You would like to ask anything? No, I'm not asking you. Have you ever seen Jinn Bhoot type of thing? Yeah. भूत देखे तुमने रियली? हाँ मूर्ख, मैं रियल लाइफ में देखा है? अरे बेकार है। 1 प्लस कॉस है, 1 माइनस कॉस है, राइट, इज इक्वल टू tan स्क्वायर है, tan स्क्वायर है अपॉन it will not solve like this. Sec square a minus 1 whole square. Fine. So first we will take LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus 1 square minus cos square A, right? And that will go 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A whole square upon sin square A, right? So sin square A. Now we will get 1 square plus cos square A plus 2 cos A upon sin A, sin square A, right? So it will come 1 minus sin square A is equal to cosec square A, cosec square A, cos square A plus cot square A. This is cot square A plus 2 plus 2 cot A. Did you understand how I get it? This 2 cos A upon sin A into 1 upon sin A. I did it, right? So this is cosec. This is cosec square A. This is cosec square A plus cot square A, sec square A, क्या था, -1, right? So this is, we get how much? That is 2 cot A cosec A, right? and that comes under cosec A plus cot A whole square. Nothing to ask? Okay. This is you get? Good. Okay. So this is 1 upon cosec A is equal to sin A plus sin A upon cos A whole square, right? So it comes sin A cos A is equal to cos A plus cos A cancel, it becomes sin square A whole square, right? Now what we can do, we can write here cos A plus 1 minus cos square A upon cos A sin A cos A right? This is cot, right? Cosec square A here, this is cot. Now this is we get this is correct what I have done here. Wait. No, I am correct up to here. We got cosec A plus cot A whole square. Now we have to bring this, right? So suppose uh, suppose if I write it if I rub this, because it is not required, because what we have to convert this into sec and cot, right? So cot is 1 upon tan but cosec is cosec cannot be converted. Fine. So another what we can do is, this is the LHS, and if we consider RHS, then it becomes sec square A minus 1 upon sec, it becomes tan square A whole square, right? This sec square minus 1 is tan square, right? Or we can do one thing, we don't change this like this, so we can write it tan square A, right? So this tan square A is cancelled by this, so we get 1 upon tan square A, right? This tan square A is converted into cot square A, right? So this cot square A can be written as cosec square A cosec square A cosec square A cosec square A minus 1, right? Now if I write cosec square A minus cosec square A, sorry, cosec square A plus tan is plus cot square A. So we reach again by on the back. There is not going to be solved further. Okay. So what I can do, cosec square A minus 1. If I take plus cot square A minus cot square A, right? Then what happens? cosec square a plus cot square a minus cot square a, right? And if I take, are you sleeping? Cos square a, just wait, cot square a minus mm, cos, yeah, it is going to be. Can you suggest me some other way? Can you suggest me some other way to solve this? Can I do just one thing? Should I double all this? Now, after doing this, we will close the class. No problem at all. I'll do it now. It is written here. It is in your book. You close your book. It is written there that 1 plus cos a upon 1 minus cos a is equal to tan square a upon sec square a minus 1. Right? ठीक है भाई. You do it by your own way. You are always correct. 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a 1 minus cos a. हाँ बोलो बोलो. Very smart. Yes. Yes. Where you was? Good. Very good. Very good. Yes, it can be. It can be 1 plus 1 upon sec a upon. It means you have done this. अब ये होगा. So we have taken done. My all the pens are now crying. So this is sec a. So it becomes sec a plus 1 upon sec a minus 1 upon sec a. So this sec a and sec a is gone. So we can write it sec a plus 1 upon sec a minus 1, right? One nine seven four. Just wait. अरे यार मैं गलत लिखा हुआ है. That is equal to question get solved. That is written here. This is equal to sec. this is equal to sec a minus 1 whole square. Fine. Done. This is this we have to prove. Now when we do the rationalization, then in rationalization what we do, sec a plus 1 upon sec a minus 1 into sec a minus 1 upon sec a minus 1. So we can write it sec square a minus 1 upon sec square a sorry, that will be sec square a minus 1 whole square, right? And this turns to 0. This is multiplied to sec a minus 1 into sec a minus 1 is sec a minus 1 whole square, and sec a turns to be 10 square a. Oh my god. So this is, you get 10 square a upon sec a minus 1 whole square is equal to RHS, right? Hence proved. Actually, sometimes what happens, seeing question and writing, and since I'm taking reading from the mobile, so few silly mistakes happen, and because of that the whole thought process get disturbed. The question was 1 plus cos a upon 1 minus cos a is equal to 10 square a upon sec a minus 1 whole square. So just changing it into sec a, we can get it, right? But I somehow when I was copying the question, so that's why I wrote it down sec square a minus 1 whole square. So the thought process was going to be different, and that's why. So it is my request to you, when I'm writing the question, if you can see what I'm writing, and so it will be a great help for me. If we make correction at that, yeah, no, nobody is that. So what happens now when you are seeing from mobile? So it creates problem. Just copying. Silly mistakes are there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this session. So thank you very much for today. Bye. Bye.